Hello. The purpose of this video is to show how to insert annotations for site plans like the north arrow. So this is our lot. We drew this a few sessions back and we assigned the lot lines to have a line type of phantom, and we assigned the layer of this lot line to have magenta so that it will print a little thicker than the rest. If you remember, from looking at our assessor's partial viewer, our lot is situated in this direction because the parcel viewer or any Google map always has north arrow going up. So as you can see, let's change this into county imagery. As you can see, our lot is angled in a certain way, which matches our AutoCAD drawing because the north arrow or the north direction always goes up. Okay, so before we do that, let's look at our layers again. And in our layers, we have only two. Zero, which is the basic layer. Whenever you start AutoCAD, you already have one layer called zero. And then we created this layer called CProp, and we assigned that layer to have a line type of phantom and a color magenta. We are now going to insert the north arrow. So that's going to be um, another layer. So we're going to create another layer. It's going to be a civil or site object. So we're going to start with a C dash, and it's always four letters. So we can put in the word north without the H. So we can just say north. Okay. And we don't want it to be magenta. We don't want it to be white. We probably want it to be like red. Red would be one of the thinnest colors on our color dependent style table. Okay. And we can make this our current layer by simply clicking this, double click, and that's our current layer. Or we can stay in zero and change the drawing later. One of the things that you can do in AutoCAD is insert other drawings that have been created before. So if I go to my list of drawings for our EDT class, I have a drawing called North, and it has a variation of different styles of North arrow. I will post this drawing to our class where you can download and put in your computer. So whatever you want or any style that you want here is good. It doesn't matter which one you select because it's going to be your liking. So typically we select a simple one, and this would do. So to select this and put it in our drawing, I can simply select it if it's a group together and simply right click under clipboard. You can click copy, go back to your EDT lot plan, and you can place it anywhere for now. So simply right click here under clipboard. You're going to paste as block and then click where you want it. It's kind of small, so what you can do is you can make this bigger by typing in scale command, scale, select the object, press enter, and then specify the base point like anywhere in the object, and then specify a reference 2. 2 means we're going to double the size. When you press enter, it's double the size. And if you're not happy with the size, you can also change it still. Now, if you can see, this object is white. If the drawing is correctly done, wherever layer you put it should copy the properties of that layer. So we're going to now select this and then change this to color C North, and it should change red. And that means that this will now be printed a little bit thinner than the rest. So every time you want to insert an object, you should always create a layer for that unless it's already there. And then you can simply select drawings from other objects. If it's selected as a group, you can select, right click, and you're going to use clipboard, and you're going to copy and then go back, and under clipboard again, you will paste as a block. All right. So why don't you do that and come back to our next video.